Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. If we have y equals to sine A and we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of A and we have cosine A. If we have y equals to cosine A, if we do first derivative of this one, we have negative sine A and we do first derivative of A. Now we can apply the formula in here. Now we have the next one. If we have y equals to the square root of A and we have like this, we do first derivative of A on numerator over number 2 with the square root of A. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. So first derivative of x, we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. This one we have number 1. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.